exploring the phrase, beat time. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a unique English phrase, beat time. If you've come across it and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. When you first hear the phrase, beat time, you might picture someone racing against a clock. But in English, beat time has a more musical sense. Beat time refers to the act of marking time, as with the hands or feet, especially in music. For instance, when a conductor uses a baton to guide an orchestra, or when someone taps their foot along with the rhythm of a song, they are beating time. Here are some scenarios where beat time is often used. 1. In music, a drummer in a band can be said to beat time as they set the rhythm for the rest of the instruments. 2. Dance. When a dance instructor counts aloud to guide the dance steps, they are essentially beating time. 3. Casual use. If you've ever found yourself tapping on a table to the rhythm of a catchy song, you're beating time without even realizing it. To further illustrate, here are some examples in sentences. 1. The conductor raised her baton and began to beat time for the orchestra. 2. As the radio played the lively tune, Sarah couldn't resist beating time with her fingers on the steering wheel. 3. During the dance class, the instructor shouted, 1, 2, 3, 4, to beat time for the students. So there you have it. Beat time is all about rhythm, whether in music, dance, or just the tapping of our fingers. We hope this video shed some light on this phrase, making your English learning journey a tad smoother. Until next time, keep tuning in and expanding your linguistic horizons.